title of our startup is Kashti Agro Solutions. Now you might be wondering why the name Kashti. Kashti means boat. A boat is meant to help save lives and help people cross rivers. Similarly, Kashti Agro Solutions will help farmers cross barriers that otherwise might seem impossible to cross. The agenda behind our startup is to help farmers by providing them 24/7 solutions to all agri-related problems by connecting them with agri-input companies on a single platform. Now, why did we choose this startup? As we all know that India's population is incessantly growing and simultaneously there is a decrease in the availability of cultivable land. These two factors pose a major threat to food security in our country. Moreover, many farmers face huge losses due to poor storage facilities, pest problems, lack of necessary resources and information. And last but definitely not the least, there is a void between the agro-based researches and their implementation in the fields. Over to you, Akshat.
Our business model is divided into two parts. The first one is a call center. Our call center will again be divided into two branches. One branch will be reserved specifically for the Kashti Agro Solutions app. The other branch will be leased to other agri-input companies, such as those involved in seeds, micronutrients, fertilizers, etc. We are going to target those agrochemical companies that don't already have their own call center facilities and provide it to them. Our call center will be based on a two-tier structure. There are our telecallers or the frontline workers who will receive, transfer and divert calls. And also they will perform outgoing advertisement calls to the farmers, informing them about various companies that took our call center services. On the other hand, we have our agri-experts who will address the agriculture-related queries of the farmers. The agro-input companies can also provide their own agri-experts to save some amount in their investment. Now coming to the Kashti Agro Solutions app. This app will also have two versions, a general free version and a paid upgradable version. Now let's discuss some features of the app. The app will be multilingual so as to cover large numbers in our company's demographic and will provide information related to crops, pests, weathers, along with information about government schemes and policies. What we did in the paid version is to provide some additional features that will attract the customers to go for the paid version instead of the free one. We will provide the farmers with features like expert advice, product comparison, and also e-commerce facilities just like Amazon. With several additional features added in the paid version, the premium version of our app is the one-stop solution for all farmer needs. So in a nutshell, this is our business model. Now Arshad would like to discuss about the company's financials with you all.
First of all, thank you Akshat for that wonderful explanation on our business model. So now I will enlighten you all with the financial aspect for our prospective startup Kashti Agro Solutions. To run and sustain our startup, we will be requiring funds to cover up essential expenses like maintaining the workforce for the call center operators, advertising agencies, technical support team and also the agriculture experts which we will be hiring. To cover up all these expenses, we have come up with an idea of generating constant income and expanding the startup by ways like: first, we will be getting our startup funded by the pesticide companies and in return we will be selling their products directly to the farmers. Second, we will be providing our call center on release to the other agri-input companies who are in need of one but can't afford one. Third, the other source of income will be the Kashti Agro Solutions Premium Membership, which we will be provided to the farmers who are willing for the one-on-one analytical analysis with the agriculture experts. Last but not the least, by e-commerce earnings, we will be selling all the essential products which are required for the perfect yield to the farmers. So that sums up the financial aspect for our startup. Thank you.
Let's talk about the vision of our startup, some of the fields that we are thinking of expanding into future include contract farming, where we deal with multiple small-scale farmers and we acquire their products, only to sell it to large-scale production companies that require raw input in large quantities. In this contract farming, we assure the farmers of stable income even in case of crop failure. This will solve the issue of farmer financial instability and unavailability of storage space for farmers. Also, we are thinking about entering into the field of organic farming. We plan to open multiple organic retail stores around India. So as you see, our vision is massive. We want to connect each and every farmer in India and help raise the living standard of people, without which we can't survive. So all we need is your help to make this is reality. In short, we will be creating a world for farmers where he got all the facilities. Thank you.